If you love tropical flavors, today I'm going to be showing you how to make mango and dragon fruit smoothie, which is going to be sweet, creamy, and very delicious. Dragon fruit is an exotic fruit, but it's sweet and very soft on the inside, which makes the smoothie very nutritious. For this smoothie recipe, you'll need 2 mangoes, and I've already chopped and diced up my mangoes over here, ready for my smoothie. Also, you'll need 3 dates, which are going to add in sweetness to our smoothie and also lots of nutrients and fiber from the dates. The key ingredient in this smoothie recipe is dragon fruit, which is a tropical fruit which is sweet and very delicious. So because I've already chopped up my mango, I'm going to cut my dragon fruit in half. Once you cut the inside, it's going to have a very nice purplish pink color, and also it has lots of seeds, which makes the smoothie very vibrant. Cut your dragon fruit in quarters, just like that. Using a spoon, you're going to scoop out the pulp of the dragon fruit, and it's going to be very easy for you to scoop out because the dragon fruit is very tender on the inside. I'm going to transfer to a grinder because I want to add in a very nice pattern to my smoothie. Scoop out some more dragon fruit. I'm using 3/4 of the dragon fruit, and then I'm going to leave out a quarter to garnish my smoothie. I'm going to secure the lid of my grinder, and then I'm going to blend up my dragon fruit into a very nice and smooth paste. Dragon fruits are rich in antioxidants, rich in vitamin C, and has lots of minerals, including so many other benefits. My dragon fruit puree or smoothie is ready, so I'm going to unlock, and wow, I love the vibrant purplish pink color. So I'm going to place this aside, and in my blender I'm going to be adding in my diced up mangoes. Mango have lots of antioxidants which our body needs on daily-to-day basis, and also they have vitamin C and lots of other minerals, which makes the smoothie perfect for your daily intake. Then next I'm going to be adding in 3 dates. I'm going to remove the pit of the dates, just like that. Place in my blender, and then I'm going to be adding in some milk so that it can help me blend the mangoes, and also it's going to add in some extra nutrients to the smoothie, which makes the smoothie very healthy. Pick up my blender and blend up the mangoes, dates, and milk until I have a smooth smoothie. Dates have lots of benefits in our body. For example, they are high in calories, which makes them very nutritious. They are also high in fiber, and they're a natural sweetener which you can add into your smoothies on daily-to-day basis. Once your smoothie is very smooth, you're going to pick up your blender and your glasses for your smoothie. So I'm going to uncover my blender, and the mangoes smell so good because they're very sweet. So I'm going to start off by adding my dragon fruit smoothie into my glass because I want to add in a very nice design to my smoothie, which is going to be very catchy. Then next you're going to pour in your mango and milk smoothie. My smoothie has turned out very vibrant, and I've presented to you in 2 ways, which are looking very catchy and very delicious. So I hope you'll grab yourself some dragon fruit, and because it's mango season, they're easily available, and try out this amazing and delicious smoothie recipe. So catch you on my next episode.